Hey, it's Nick from POWERSTATE, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the Milwaukee M18 FUEL Drain Snake with cable drive locking feed system. The M18 FUEL Drain Snake represents the next level in performance for handheld machines, delivering 2 times more power than corded tools. It's the first tool to bring brushless motor technology to drain cleaning with the POWERSTATE Brushless Motor, providing maximum power 50 feet down the line for 1¼ inch to 3-inch drains. This cordless drain snake is powered by the M18 REDLITHIUM battery pack that is part of the M18 family of tools. It delivers a variable spin speed up to 500 rotations per minute and a variable feed speed up to 8 inches per second. The cable features rust guard protection, delivering 20 times more rust resistance. A fully enclosed drum provides the best protection and mess containment. It holds a maximum cable capacity of 50 feet with 1/4 inch cable, 50 feet with 5/16 cable, and 35 feet with a 3/8 cable. The cable drive locking feed system delivers complete control and the best cable grip when feeding and retracting, giving users the ability to work the clog while maintaining the selected speed. An LED light illuminates the workspace underneath sinks and other dark spaces, and a storage bin for easy and compact transportation is included with the purchase of the M18 Drain Snake kit. For more information, visit the resources at supplies.com or email us with any questions.